welcome to this quick break unboxing today with more collector tags from Zelda. Let's open them up. We've got both a double in tattoo and stickers. Both got them already. Checklist. And Breath of the Wild Link. Who's not a duplicate? Awesome. Let's see what the next tag is. We've got... oh, this is the last golden sticker we were missing. D3 is a Triforce. And we've got... oh, another new one. Very colourful Funtits. Checklist. And this seems to be the Hylian crest from the shape. And it is the Hylian crest. Which is awesome because I really like the crest. Last up. We've got another duplicate sticker, Majora's Mask. We've got another duplicate and tattoos. Checklist. And 8-bit Link. Nice. So far no duplicate tags, which is pretty awesome. There we go. Nice. Alright, that's for this quick break unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope I see you again. Until next time, see ya! Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out my other unboxings, click on the playlist on the upper right. Expect a new video on this channel every Monday and Wednesday. If you like video games, chances are you might enjoy my second channel as well. You find it on the lower left. Until next time, see ya!